Hello everyone and welcome back to Taskade. In today's video guide, we will be discussing how work from home teams and individuals can make the most out of their productivity by using Taskade. Let's jump right into it. Now, in today's day and age where because of the pandemic and various other reasons, teams as well as individuals have started working from home. And during this process, if there is any piece of software that can help ease your burden, it's Taskade. Taskade primarily works through Workspaces. If you're working from home, here is the place where you can primarily divide your work. Create a new workspace with the title Office, and within it you can add your team members or work alone. Inside a workspace, you can also add separate categories using subspaces. Subspaces are great to divide your work into pieces so that you may focus and complete your tasks effectively. Now, inside a subspace is where you can add tasks down in a new project. There are several options from a single bullet point task to blocks of tasks or even a paragraph option in case you need to do some brainstorming. Now, every project also has quite a few views for you to cycle from. These views include lists, boards, mind maps, organizational charts, and more. Cycling through them lets you find the perfect view for your workflow to boost productivity. Now, should you not want to write everything from scratch, Taskade also implements templates into your workflow. You can choose from a list of pre-built templates and customize them or create your own template from scratch. Now, templates in Taskade are also reusable, meaning you can create one template and use it across all projects later by saving it as a template. Within each project, you can also add team members, set due date ranges for tasks, and customize the look and feel of each task with the toolbar at the bottom. All of Taskade works in real time, meaning you and your team members can view and edit tasks on the go on all devices, computers, or mobile. This makes Taskade your best buddy for productivity. Now, the latest Taskade update in June also brings a few new features to Taskade, including a checker role permission that can be assigned to teams, a copy task feature that lets you copy tasks across projects and subspaces, making it even easier to write tasks down, and new keyboard shortcuts to open the add-on menu of the tasks by pressing Command+/ in Mac or Control+/ on Windows, effectively reducing your time spent. We feel that Taskade can make a difference to your overall workflow with all these features and make things simpler and much easier for you. If you still haven't tried Taskade out, well, what are you waiting for? Go check out Taskade from the first link in the description below, and we will be back with a new video soon. Leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and thank you for watching.